calm down.
It's cha-cha time.
We're gonna be doing a routine with a few direction changes because that'll make you faster.
Every difficult step has a basic component to it, right? Basic, not so basic cha-cha routine so that you can practice being fast on your feet and being fast to change directions. And this is what we're gonna be doing today.
Footwork. Over the shoulder. So we're gonna go rock step forward left, ronde to the left foot, rock back with the left foot, replace, and side left. Then we got right, left, and it's gonna be a forward lock. Right, hook that left, forward right. Now we're gonna go forward left, swivel across the right. It's gonna be side left, cross the right, tap that left foot, and a big head throw, and then close the right foot. Forward on the left, spiral, and a 3-step turn. Right, left, right. It's done. A different angle. Let's mirror it. Okay, and we're gonna rock forward on the left leg. We got a ronde, back, replace, side. Reverse figure 8. Right, left, forward lock. Shot, shot, shot. Forward left, cross the right, side left, cross right, side left with a tap. Then we're gonna throw to the left. Close that right foot. Go forward the left foot and it's a spiral. 3-step turn, right, left, right. We did it! Yeah! Timing.
And 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And you're ready to go from the beginning. Get it!
And with music. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. If you have any questions, don't ask me, but she'll answer. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed learning cha-cha with us today, and make sure you practice it a bunch of times so it's easy to do without thinking too hard. We don't want to be thinking when we're dancing, we want to be feeling from our hearts. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to not just this video, but our whole channel, because then you're going to get more cha-cha stuff. Tytus LiWen, DanceInsanity. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.